po kami. It's 12:58. Ang klase ni Nate is 1 o'clock. Kasi pinakain ko siya ng... What are you eating?
Burger King.
Correct. Clock tower. There you go.
Hello.
Take a video.
It's very late. And this is Mommy.
Hi! Where are we going next?
To Walmart.
What are we gonna buy?
Something.
What are we gonna do now? Later in the afternoon? Who's coming over?
Jana, Sharia, Nisha, and Sky.
Are you scared? Are you scared? Are you what is that? Are you
Excited.
excited?
Yeah.
Or not excited?
I'm excited. They will watch my GameCube intro.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, close it then.
Bye-bye.
There.
Wow. It's so fuzzy.
It won't bite you, Nate. They're inside. Whoa.
It's so fuzzy.
Ito pa, there's another one there. Female crab. Panig. Si Nate hindi kumakain. Ito yung kinakain ko. Ice cream. Go. Nate, do it again. I don't know what you're doing like this on my phone. Go. No, that's not what you did. Ayan na yung setup namin. Dito kami sa Nuktrikok nagluluto. Ayan yung mga Gutom yung amoy. Ayan yung mga ingredients with freezer.
I-send sa akin ano.
Ito po ang pagluluto ng sandok. Ihulog niyo po ang mga balls.
Bro, what is this?
Pag kumibot-kibot na ang ating si Ate Yosel yung in charge sa, doon ka te. Sa, ano yan?
Samji.
Samji. Ayan, si ate taga lang siya. Ang bagal, nababagalan sa akin si Ate Yosel. Ayan na. Ate, pindutin mo na. Lahat natin, no? Oh, yun, lahat na. Ito na po si, Teacher Isa. Nagpupur ng, crab balls ba yan? Ito pa rin si Ate Osel. Ang in charge sa, parating hindi aabot kung ang dami. May, pa, gulay pang bok choy. Yung pinagkwan ko na doon.
First time ko to
Okay naman kayo. This for yesterday's video, right? Can you tell everyone where we're going?
We're going to City Center Merby.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so sunny today.
Hey! Pogi ang pogi ng Nate ka. Nanonood kami ng The Devil Wears Prada 2. Yan. Sige. Ito po ang aming mga kasama, si Mama, si Iya, tsaka si Tita Joanne. Ang bilis.
Maubla na siya maging ina.
Yan. Ang laki ng ito yung kamay ko. Oh my gosh. Inside Kuya Tours.
It's like right pocket.
So,
Why?
pinipilit kong paubos yung nachos kasi ako yung kumain. Yung ano, yung movie food, yung cinema food. Eating?
Plain croissant.
Dito kami. Hi. Nate, I'm gonna buy the Osmo Pocket 4 na.
Yeah!
Yay! So, ang ano, hindi kami nakabili ng DJI kasi walang stock.
Kung gusto mo mapain.
So, ngayon, didiretso ako sa Gold Souk sa Sharjah para tignan. Kasi sabi ko, it's a sign kung wala ngayon. Huwag mo nang bumili ng DJI Pocket 4.
mo na gusto mong isama
Okay?
dyan sa
More light required. Nasa parking kami, paalis na kami. Say bye, Nate.
mo yan.
Bye-bye!
Na biguan na walang Pocket 4 pero okay lang. Tingin tayo ng gold.
Ang dami na kayo napili.
We're gonna say good night na.
Good night!
Ang ending is nakabili na lang ako ng
Blood.
dalawang gold. Isang 8 grams. 8.81 grams yata yun. Tsaka isang 1.75 na grams na hikaw. Ayun lang. Saka na ako bibili ng action ng DJI Pocket 4. So, say bye na, Nate. What will you
Bye-bye!
tell me? Happy?
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, everybody. See you all. Bye.
Bye-bye!